good evening. This video is going to be about completely different from the requests I've gotten. I have planned some videos on cinematics and a couple of other things, but tonight someone on the Discord finally helped me figure out how to create your custom menu screen. So I will thank the people who helped me. The person originally making a guide for this, and 786R786. I even made a note of the name. I will link your mod because it's really cool. And Madam Owlbear and Galgant, thanks a lot to help me figure this out. I'm actually recording this audio separately because I was recording audio through my webcam, which was really shitty, so maybe this video will come up a little bit differently than the other ones, but I'm going to show you what I did, okay? So there are a couple of different things we need to do in order to make our own custom menu screen, and it builds a lot on the way it is done in DOS 2. However, the toolkit doesn't actually register it in the same way, so you have to edit the file as well. What you need to do is load up your level of choice, which for me would be this one, and then we are going to find something called a spectator camera. Spectator camera trigger, and we're going to drag that into the level, and we're going to adjust it to figure out what it's looking at. So in the start I just moved it around a bit, but then I realized the guide actually says how you can see what the camera is seeing. So you're going to have to right click the camera, and then you'll get a window that shows you exactly what the camera is looking on. So I am adjusting it, trying to look at my little family here of characters. So one thing that is mentioned in the guides is that items you have placed into the level and things that are loaded when the level is loaded are not going to appear on the menu screen. So I thought we could test that, although that is a really nice shot. It would make for a good menu. You need to rename this trigger to camera underline start. I wasn't allowed to do this, but when I saved the project, I could change the name just fine. So you do that. And then actually what you need to do is, as you can see here in the project settings, there is a field for menu level. So in DOS 2 apparently you could just set that and it would work. So, but even if we try to do that here, it's not going to work. We have to edit the meta file of this mod. So let's just save everything, and then we will close the toolkit and find the file in question. So here we are then. We are in Baldurs Gate 3/data. We are going to open the mods folder. We are going to find our project, helpfully called level 7 in my case for the test project. We're going to find the meta file. We're going to open it in Notepad. There is another file in there. I have no idea what that is, but we're going to open the meta file. And we are going to find a certain line that says MenuLevelName, fixed string and then value. So between those little, oh, I've forgotten what they're called. Yeah, well, in there where I'm writing, you're going to put your level name. So that is the level where you put the spectator camera, yeah? We're going to save it, and then we can open the toolkit. And we're going to go into the toolkit and publish our pack locally, so that is kind of exporting the mod. We're going to open the base game. In the base game, you of course have to activate your mod, so the menu isn't going to show up until you activate your mod. So I basically just loaded up my level to see that it worked, because I've been a little worried that I've broken this project. So it's loading up nicely and it worked. So then what I did was go out into the main menu, and let's see if it works. And there we go. So we've changed the main menu. I'm super happy to have this working. As you can see, all the characters and items disappeared. So at some point, someone will have to explain to me how Larian managed to get people in there. But yeah, so this is really cool. So I hope it's useful for everyone. There will be a protocol for how to go about this in the video description. And I hope you enjoy.